We're so glad you've joined us in giving nature a helping hand. Our organic bird feeder isn't just a lovely addition to your garden or balcony, it's a small but meaningful way to invite more life in. By offering food and water, you're giving birds a little boost to keep going, through chilly winters and through sunny summer days. It's the perfect pit stop for any bird right at your doorstep. Let's take a closer look at our organic bird feeder. This feeder is made up of two parts, the beautifully designed exterior house and the matching interior house. As you can see, it consists of one large feeder and a clip for a suet ball. By working together with the best experts in Europe, we've designed it to offer the best for any bird, keeping them cool, safe, and dry. Made entirely from 100% recycled plastic and built to last a lifetime. The interior piece easily clicks into the exterior piece like this. The back of the feeder can simply be mounted onto a wall using a screw, or to a tree using the straps. And now, to help the birds feel at home, follow these easy steps. You can set up your bird feeders and baths at any time of the year, but feeders are most useful in the fall and winter, while bird baths get the most use in spring and summer. Make sure to clean your feeders and change the water often. It keeps the birds happy and healthy. Find a quiet, sheltered spot for your setup, ideally facing north or east or away from strong winds or sneaky predators. Try to keep at least 3 meters between bird feeders and bird houses. Birds like a bit of personal space too. Feel free to mix things up with different varieties of food. This way you'll attract all kinds of beautiful bird species. Now enjoy watching your birds bring your garden and biodiversity to life.